right across from us, you can see the ski resort of Alpe d'Huez, which to my mind looks a lot better from this distance than when you're close up. And down in the valley, way down, is the valley of Bourg d'Oisans. And the little hamlet that's perched there on the ridge is Villard Notre Dame. And I've come up from there, just below the path starts, just below Villard Notre Dame, working my way up all this way. I climbed around 1,000 meters, and you can see the little cabane de la Source, because just below that is where all the waters from all these mountains gather together into a fantastic source, spring, fully, not a tiny little spring, a big spring that then cascades down the mountains. And the only other time I came up this way, you see where the shadow is? There's actually a passage through that way, across the moraine. There's a fabulous moonscape, and then there's a climb to the col behind this ridge that I'm showing you now. Actually, I like the moonscape more than the col itself, which is rare, because usually I love cols. And right up there is La Rochaille, and that's a glacier, or the remnants of a glacier up there. We're in autumn now, so there's been no snow, so yeah, I guess there's ice under that neve, but it's considerably diminished from what it used to be. And then the other side of that ridge, you look down on the valley where I live, and the Lac L'Auvitel, and the L'Auvitel Valley, and then across from there to the Moselle, the mountain peaks of the Moselle. It's just a very rugged terrain. I'm watching aeroplanes going across the sky. Don't know if you can see them up there. It's just fascinating when you're up here. And just in case anybody was wondering what the temperatures were like, I think I can find the remnants of the snow and ice and the crystals. If I can get my shadow out of the way. So very much autumn, heading into winter here. Oh, lots more here, look. So I've just got a t-shirt on, so the sun makes such a difference. And because this has just stayed in the shade, it's stayed in its snow and ice, all this bank. The beginning, the first signs of winter approaching. And my faithful companion. She blends so well, you can hardly see her. Sympa. It is good to have company. I love the shadow, where the sun plays on the rocks.